Says 245.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Penny. On my channel I'm sharing videos about getting my life together so that I can finally start living the life I dream about instead of just dreaming about it. The videos are lifestyle related. So as far as getting my life together, I'm not really sure how it's all gonna work out, but I would love for you to stick around so you can find out with me. In today's video, I'm just providing an update on my weight loss journey. I was currently 100 pounds overweight on May 16th, and since then I've lost 20 pounds. So in this video, I'm just sharing the foods that I ate and any insight that I had for the past week. I did fast on Sunday, which is the start of my week, and I fasted on Saturday. So within this week, there were 2 fasting days. The one thing that I can say as far as my journey goes right now is that I'm still not drinking enough water. I only drink a lot of water when I have something salty. So that's something I'm currently working on. And I think that's all I have to share as far as this week goes. I'm still only doing 15 minutes on the treadmill. I'm doing a minute on a rebounder, and I'm doing the sun salute. Okay. My battery just died, but I did buy 2 extra batteries. Let's see.
It's Monday, June 21st at 3:18 p.m. and this is coconut water. It's my first meal since Friday, dinner time. I fasted on Saturday and Sunday, and I'm gonna break my fast with this coconut water, and I'm gonna have my meal a little bit later on. Monday, June 21st at 4:52 p.m. Now I'm having some okra with soy sauce and wasabi. I saw this recipe on YouTube yesterday, and I decided to give it a try. It's Monday, June 21st, and it is 8:03. This is my dinner. Lots of vegetables sauteed, and I'm gonna have some strawberries, and I'm also going to have a little bit of coconut water that I have left. See you guys tomorrow. Tuesday afternoon tea. It's Tuesday at 2:14, and I'm having my homemade salsa with half of an avocado and some corn tortillas that I fried. I fried these on Sunday night, I think, and it's Tuesday, and they're still really crunchy. It's 4:11 on Tuesday, and I'm just having some fruit. It's Tuesday night at 8:32. And I'm having banana pancakes that I made from my sourdough starter with buckwheat flour. They're very good. I'm also having some coconut water. It's Wednesday at 2:23. I'm having a green salad with a little bit of kimchi and some fried plantains and a big old jar of coconut water. It's 7:52 p.m. on Wednesday, and I'm having this grapefruit for dinner and maybe some water. I don't feel very hungry right now, and the grapefruit was starting to soften, so I wanted to eat it. It's 8:28 on Wednesday, and I'm just having some dried edamame with dried apricots and dried passion fruit. I'm having strawberry banana smoothie. I had some strawberries in my refrigerator that I needed to eat, and I'm really glad that I'm paying more attention to things before they go bad. But this is a strawberry banana smoothie with oat milk, and I put some maca powder in there. I've had that in my fridge for a while, and 1 date. It's Thursday at 4:44. And I'm having some crackers that I just made with the hummus that I just made. It is 8:15 on Thursday night, and I'm having mushroom fried rice for dinner. I'll link the recipe that I followed down below, and I also I'm trying to make tamarind soda with sparkling water and just tamarind pulp. It's okay. The recipe that I followed is great. I'm just gonna add some chili paste in it and a little bit of salt and garlic to it. Last night I was craving a lot of sweets after I ate my dinner, and I ended up eating what was left in this packet. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet, but at the time it felt binge-y. Felt bingy. But right now I feel fine about it. It's 1:19 on Friday, and I'm just having some sorrel that I steeped in hot water. It's 9:14 on Friday night, and I'm having mushroom fried rice again. Today I decided to put some asparagus in here and red bell pepper because I needed to use them up, and also because I'll be fasting this weekend, so I won't eat until Monday, and I didn't want them to go bad. I'm also going to have some pomegranate juice with sparkling water for dinner. Yeah, that's it for this week. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. My videos will not just be about weight loss, because I'm not a weight loss channel. I'm just sharing that part of my journey to get my life together. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment. It really helps my channel, and it allows YouTube to share my videos to other like-minded people, so I could start building a community. I would love to continue chatting with you in the comment section below, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you're notified each time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.